Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to see how we can recover the Facebook account that is without username. It means without email ID, password and any contact number. Okay. So for that, first of all you have to go to your Google Chrome and here you have to search for accessing and downloading. Okay. After that, here you can see this is the first link accessing and downloading your Facebook informations. So just click on it and make it open. Then click on account access troubleshooting. Then click on my account has been hacked. Okay. Then in the below sections, you can see options called secure it by going to the help center. So just click on this and go to the help center of the Facebook. Then in the below part here you can see we have options called recover your account if you think your Facebook account was hacked or if someone is using it without your permissions. So just click on this drop down tab, then scroll down and click on get started. Then again scroll down and here you can see questions, are you able to log in into the account? So here you have to select the no I can't log in. Okay. Then again scroll down. And here you can see another questions. Do you have access to the phone number or email address associated with that account? So you have to click on no, I don't have access to the phone number and email address on that account. Okay. Then again scroll down and here you can see we have a link that is facebook.com/login/identify, right? So just click on it. And here you have to enter the name of your Facebook account. Okay, so here you have to first click on this search where your email address or name instead. So it means if you don't have access to your mobile phone and email address, so you have to click on here. Then here you have to enter the name of your Facebook account. All right, and here you can see this is my Facebook account name, that is Deepan Patel. So you have to enter the name over here, that is okay. Then click on this search tab. Then here you can see this is my account Deepan Patel and you can see the logo, right? This is the exactly same account that has been hacked, right? So just click on this account. Then here you can see we have an option called try to enter your password. So obviously thing is that if your account has been hacked, so your password will not work and you have not remember your password as well, right? So just click on this try another way. Then as we have already know, we don't have access to the email ID, phone number and password. So you have to click on this no longer have access to this. Okay, so just click on it. Then again, click on start. So now here you can see we are in the page of set new login email address. And in this place, we have to enter one active email ID. Okay, in which we will get the new code. Okay, so let me enter my email ID. Then click on get code. Now you will get a OTP on this email ID. So let me check that. Okay, so here you can see we have already got the code. Okay, so just copy this code from here and go to the another page and here we have to paste that code. Okay, then click on confirm. And here you have to upload your government proof ID card. Okay, it may be Aadhaar card, PAN card or passport or any other like driving license or anything. Okay, so just click here. Then here you have to write the exact name that is written in the document proof that you are going to upload over here. Okay, so let me enter my name. Okay, then click on this choose file and upload the government proof. Okay, so this is my Aadhaar card. So let me select, then click on done. And here you can see I have successfully uploaded my government proof. Okay, that is my Aadhaar card and I have written the exact name here, whatever name is present in my government proof. Okay, then scroll down and click on this send tab. And now you can see you have got a message that is thank you for submitting your ID to Facebook. Okay, and don't worry, the ID that you have submitted to the Facebook, that will keep secret and it will be secure. Okay, so don't worry about that. And here you can see this is another message, facebook.com on mobile browser is in the process of being uploaded. You will be adding updated instruction to the help center for future that have available on the mobile browser. So check again over the coming month. So this process of checking, it will take nearly about 1 month, but don't worry, it will be completed within 1 to 2 days. Okay, so just keep patience. So at the end, after verifying by the Facebook that the account that has been hacked is completely belong to you, he will send the new user ID and password in the mail ID that you have submitted. Okay, so by using the new user ID and password that has been sent by Facebook, you can again log in with your Facebook ID that has been hacked, and you can easily recover that. Alright, so thanks for watching.